My name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video comes from our bridging series in Wing Chun. And here we're going to use a jab and a hook combination to exploit and bridge on our opponents. But before we do that, I need you to go over the boxes, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to always. Thank you for your support and have a great day.
Defend the jab using a Pak Sao Chun Sao. Turn, face the hook, a Lop Sao punch. Gan Sao, check the elbow, Pak Sao punch high, roll punch finish. Bridge using a jab and then a hook. Counter the Pak Sao punch using Pak Tan, follow up Pak Sao punch, chain punch. Defend the jab using Pak Sao, defend the hook, Lop Sao. Gan Sao at the wrist, check and punch. Counter the Pak Sao, exchange step Pak Sao, Lop Sao, punch, chain punch the finish. Jab, hook. Defend the Pak Sao punch using Pak Sao Tan Sao. Defend the Jut Sao using a Quan Sao to Lop Sao. Side palm. Check and punch, stay on the inside.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.